Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we are going to discuss a very important integration here, that is 1 plus cos square x into tangent square x of dx. So here what strategy we have to use here. So let's start. Tangent square x will multiply by 1. Just we have to multiply tangent square x plus this is cos square x into tangent square x. Of dx. Tangent square x multiplied by 1 and tangent square x multiplied by cos square x. So here tangent square x plus cos square x. So here tangent is sin x upon cos x. So tangent square means sin square x over cos square x of dx. Just we have to use the formula tangent square x, that is equals to sin square x over cos square x. So this cos square cancel, and this is tangent square x and plus sin square x of dx. Now separate this one. So this is tangent square x cos x plus sin square x. Now, dear students, integration of tangent square x, we don't have any direct formula of tangent square. So we have to change tangent square x into that correlated function in which we are able to find out the integration here. Again, the sin square x, we don't have directly integration of sin square x. So we have to use the formula of sin square x as well. So here 1 plus tangent square x, it is equals to sec square x. So tangent square x will be equals to sec square x minus 1. So here we have to use the result tangent square, that is equals to sec square x minus 1. And sin square x, we have a formula sin square x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. 1 minus cos 2x over 2. This is the basic formula of sin square x. Sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. The most important result here we have to use here. Now we have to put these values. This is tangent square x, it is equals to sec square x minus 1. And this is sin square x, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2x over 2 dx. We have to use the formula of tangent square x because we don't have the direct formula of tangent square x and sin square x as well. So we have to use their formula here, and we have to use these formulas. Now separate this sin integration sec square x of dx minus d of x. Here separate the LCM, 1 upon 2 minus cos 2x over 2. Just break the LCM and then open the bracket with the separate the integration here. So this is sec square x dx minus dx plus 1 upon 2 of dx minus 1 upon 2 of cos 2x of dx. This way. We have to separate this one. Now we can easily find out their integration here. because the integration of sec square x, that is equals to tangent x. This is the formula of sec square x of integration. Minus x here plus, cancel out to this x, and minus 1 over 2 cos 2x. The integration of cos 2x, it is sin 2x over 2 plus c, because we have a formula here, cos ax dx, it is equals to sin ax divided by a. This is the formula. So here a means 2, we have divided by 2. So this is tangent x minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, that is minus 1 upon 2 half, minus 2 2s are 4, sin 2x plus c. This is the answer of this question. This is 1 upon 2x and this is 1x. So half minus 1 will be minus half, and this is the result of this integration, which is the most important integration. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share with your friends, colleagues, and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.